Hello everyone, welcome to Roman Just Codes. I'm Roman, and in this video I'll be showing you a few free online Python environments that you can use in order to learn Python with no prerequisites, no installation required, right from your browser. Let's get started. The first one I'll be showing you is called Katacoda by O'Reilly, a very useful free online Python playground that gives you the ability to open up a command line with Python pre-installed and the ability to create files both manually and from the command line. This cool playground allows you to create folders as well, with the only caveat that it doesn't persist your session and only works for quick Python scripts. Free to use, but better when accompanied by some of the very useful O'Reilly Python tutorials. Give it a try whenever possible. The second one is Replit. This combines a Python command line with a rich featured text editor. Also allows you to create files, folders, and share your code snippets. It gives you Python IntelliSense for convenience, as well as the ability to import GitHub repos with Python code to test right inside this environment. Next up is CodingGround from Tutorials Point. This gives you a Python text editor with a separate standard input capability. It doesn't give you a command line, but it gives you a results panel where after executing your Python code, it shows you the results right away. Hey, can't complain when it's free, right? Also worth mentioning. Next is SoloLearn from code.sololearn.com. Similar to CodingGround, it gives you a Python 3 editor, light and dark mode, ability to share your code, and it also has a companion iOS and Android app. Pretty neat. Also worth listing is this small Python environment called Trinket from Trinket.io. Although this one looks basic, it packs nifty features such as a Python command line, the ability to add files, upload your own code files, even images you can use in your own code, as well as sharing. Another one that tops the list of my favorites is Google Colab from Google, which is widely used in the machine learning and AI community as a shareable Python notebook running on top of Jupyter notebooks. A notebook is nothing but a mixture of content and code that can be executed either in a sequence or arbitrarily, and great for documenting code with live execution of your own code scenarios. I love it because it persists into your Google Drive. You can add files, share it with people, and even install stuff right from the browser. And last but not least, Python Anywhere. I believe this is the best one of all, because not only gives you a command line for you to type Python to your heart's content, since it's a fully Linux environment. It allows you to run your Python code in the cloud, in your own space, although limited, but still, for a beginning wanting to try out Python, wanting to build a small Python Flask RESTful API, this is perfect. On top of that, it also allows you to persist your files if you sign up. Yes, there are some limitations as far as the amount of consoles that you can have, how many files you can store, and how many web apps you can have running. But still, this is pretty good for a beginner who wants to get their feet wet with Python and learn without paying a cent for cloud storage and execution. That's it, folks. This is my list of favorite free online Python playground / environments to learn Python from your browser. No installation required, and did I mention free already? Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you have any other favorite free Python online playgrounds and environments worth mentioning. That's it for this video, so please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated, and please like this video if you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching.